Greetings, my name is Tanit Mgomezulu. I'm the Math, Economics and Accounting tutor. Today we're going to be looking at Mathematics Grade 12 Paper 2. So without the waste of time, let us just dive in. The topic that we're going to be looking this Paper 2 is Euclidean Geometry for the preparation of upcoming June, September and November examinations for all grade 12s in South Africa. Right, so let us move to our question and look how can we just solve this problem. Now, before we are just giving a diagram, I'm interested in knowing about the information of the diagram because it's very important. You must learn the information of the diagram carefully and quickly. In the diagram, O is a center. ST is a tangent. We can see at ST over there. This is our ST here. And they say that T and M and P are points such that TM is equals to MP. Okay, they've told us that these sides are equal to each other. And they say that OT and OP are being drawn. So now they say that they have let angle O1 equals to X. And we can see that. Okay. So now the question is just simple. Prove with reason that STM is equals to 1 over 4. So they say prove that STM. It means that they are talking about this angle over here. So let us prove this angle graphically. So we need to just do a rough. We just do a rough practice of this angle. We know that this angle is equal to this angle, and the reason behind that is a Tancourt theorem. And we know that P1 is equal to T2, and the reason for that is base angles. These are just the base angles of the isosceles triangle are equal to each other. Also, the relationship between these two angles and angle M is just that they are the sum interior angles of the triangle equals to 180. It means that in other words, we can say P1 plus T, plus T2 equals 280 degrees minus M equals 280 degrees minus M, and that is it. Also, in the meantime, we can also say that no, 2P1 is equals to 180 degrees minus M. Why? It's because we know that P1 is equals to T1. They are the base angle of a isosceles triangle. But who is M? M is equals to the division of O2. M is just the division, a division of O2 by 2. What does that mean? We know that because M is an angle in the circumference, then O2 is equals to 2 times M. We know that one. So, but O2 also is equals to 360 degrees minus X. You can see that one. So in other cases, we know that meaning M is equals to 180 minus 1 over 2 X, because it is just the division of this by 2. Then the division of this by 2 is this one. Applying that, O2 is just 2 times, is equals to 2 times M. The angle in the center is equals to 2 times the angle on the circumference. And we know that means 2 P1 is nothing but is equals to 1 over 2x. Is equals to 1 over 2x, because if I plug m over here, I substitute the m over here, it will be 180 minus 180 and minus into minus 1 over 2 is equals to positive 1 over 2. That tells me that my P1 here is equals to 1 over 4x. Since now my P1 is equals to 1 over 4x, it is equals to also my T1. The reason is a Tan-Codd theorem. Therefore, the all-inter thing is being proven. Now, let's just rewrite this one in such a way that the marker will be happy, because writing it like this one is just a rough. So you are telling the marker that, okay, firstly, what you need to know, that act as if you are telling someone who does not know, so that you can able to grab all the marks to cover this 7. So tell the marker that, firstly, 360 degrees minus x is equals to 02. And the reason behind that is that revolution angle equals to 360 degrees. Okay. After that, tell the writer that, okay, angle M is equals to 180 degrees minus 1 over 2x. Tell the marker that this is because this O2 was being divided by 2. You can just say that. You can just say O2 was being divided by 2. Or you can just say this is because the angle on the center is equals to 2 times angle on the circumference. On the circumference. Tell your writer that, but however, you know that P1 plus T2 are equals to 180 minus m. This one they are the sum interior angles of a triangle. Okay, come back and tell your examiner, your marker, that however, I know that 2 P1 is possible to give me 1 over 2x. Why? Say no, P1 is equals to T2 base angles of an isosceles triangle. You would have said angles subtended by equal side of a isosceles triangle. So tell your writer that now T1 equals to STM. Okay, right, is equals to 1 over 4. Reason behind that is Tan-Codd. This is a Tan-Codd theorem. Thereby, you are done. That is how to just do it. Thank you for watching this video. Please continue watching my videos and keep subscribing as well as liking. You can also share the video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.